Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can customize Roblox notifications. So follow these steps carefully to manage alerts for messages, friend requests, and game updates, and so on. So the first thing that you will do is you will, of course, go to roblox.com/home, and once you're here, you will click this gear icon right here, and then go ahead and click settings. And now you will just have to click notifications, which is the fourth one, and you can basically just turn off or turn on the notifications that you don't want. So for example, for experience notifications, you don't want notifications from this game. What you will just have to do is disable it. So to confirm it, you will just have to click turn off, and you won't be receiving any notifications from that game again. And for your email, it's up to you if you want to enable announcements, updates, and offers from Roblox. And for mobile push notifications, there are multiple ones. So if you don't want notifications from an experience or from a party invitation, Roblox community events, and so on, you'll just have to click do not disturb, or uh just toggle them off one by one. And for community notifications, it's basically just the group notifications that you're in. So for example, you don't want notifications from this, you will just have to toggle it off specifically for each one. So yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and stay awesome.